Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Kate, and in this tutorial I will be guiding you how to save YouTube videos offline. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the YouTube application. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now in order to save YouTube videos offline, you have to download that video so that you could watch that video when you don't have an internet connection. For that, look for the video that you want to download and open up the video. Now to download this video, first of all you have to understand one thing. If this account has enabled the download option on its settings and privacy, then only you will be able to download that. If the account has restricted the download on its account's privacy, then you may not be able to download that video. Here we can download this video. You will see download button under the account name or under the title of the video next to share button. Tap on download, and with that this song will get downloaded. Now in order to view your downloaded video, go back and tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner and then scroll down. Here you will see downloads, tap on there, and there you go, you have your downloaded video here. So this is how you can save YouTube videos offline. I hope this video helped you, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.